Hello guys, this is Nikunj and today we will be creating a basic server with Node.js program. In last video I have made you to understand the game flow of the ping pong game. Today we will be making a basic server to display just a hello world in the home page of our server in Node.js program. So I am using a Visual Studio Code to write this Node.js program. If you have any editor you can use that also. I am not giving any restrictions to any editor, but I recommend that you should not use the editors which does not give color to the text. That means it keeps the text plain, like Notepad. So in this I have created one file and saved it as extension as JavaScript, and then it has the Visual Studio Code have its own terminal. So I am using that. If you want you can use command prompt or PowerShell or any other terminal which you want to run your file. So let us get started with opening our terminal. So first you have to give the directory of your folder, and then you have to write npm init. Okay, so after that you have to press enter. When you press enter, so it asks for you the package name. Let us keep yes, 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 yes. Okay, so you have done with it. Now what we have to do means you have to open the same folder in which you have stored your JSON JavaScript file. So when you open that folder, you see there are two files open at the that folder, that is log.json and JSON. I think so this log.json will not be open for you. This package.json will have been created. So to create this log.json, first we have to import the modules that are important for this project. So that is socket.io, express and fs. To install it, write npm install fs express socket.io. Just press enter. I am not pressing enter because I have already installed this packages. So once you have got installed with your package, you can import it in your JavaScript file, that is your Node.js file, by writing const express require express. Const socket io. Socket io is the package in which client and server can continuously send messages, and we'll be using express to create our routes. So I am using this fs file to send HTML file to my server page, that means home page or my other pages which are required. So I have imported all the modules. Now let us use the express to create a basic server that displays hello world. So we will create a variable called app. So So now we will listen to one port, that is 3000. Okay, and then we will pass a function through it. And print listening on port 3000. So what this code basically does means it will listen on the port 3000. If there is no error, then it will start listening to 3000 and display a message called listening to port 3000. Okay, now we will create a get method and give it a basic route. So once the user send request to this route, so we will display a message hello world. So we will write a response dot write hello world, and in console we will tell print that one user got connected. Okay, so now we will save this file and run this file by going to file and save all. So now we will be writing node server. See here, we have got a message listening on port 3000. Let us go to my browser. So in the URL I will write it there, www.localhost 3000. So I think so there is something wrong with my code. Let me check it. I have got a message displayed, a user got connected, but have not got a message from the web page. So let me go to my code and check what is my mistake. Okay, I did not end the response. Response dot end. Okay, now let us save it, and first you have to cut the running file and then again you have to run the file. I'll give a shortcut method to it. You have to not to worry for this. Once you see here, we have got this hello world printed here. So we have made our first hello world program. In the next video, I will show you how to make a server using Socket.io and how to get connected with it. So for now, this is enough, and please like and subscribe my video and even share it to your friends so that the video is shared by everybody and they can learn through my video. Thanks.